How to fix something went wrong on TikTok. First thing first, you have to go ahead and open up your TikTok and make sure you have stable internet connection because that is the main reason why you can see there is the something went wrong error on TikTok. So make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And once you have done that, you can try to switch to mobile data if you're using Wi-Fi and vice versa. But if it doesn't work and your TikTok is still not loading, then in that case, you can simply go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then head over to the top right on the hamburger menu. Tap on settings and privacy. Now you're going to have to report a problem. Scroll down until you find the support option and then report a problem. Scroll down all the way to the bottom here and you'll get an option to submit a report. Then here you can just briefly tell them that even though you have stable internet connection, you're still not able to get rid of the something went wrong error. And TikTok's help and support team will contact you back within few days. You just have to follow the instruction and you will be able to fix the problem. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.